Take one.
Could you give me a countdown?
I'll proceed to what?
This is Mitchell Beardy, and I want to send. And my guest star is Ricky Hamilton.
Why?
Okay, yeah. As I was saying, Rick, how do you feel tonight?
You're such a thing.
Alright, let's say we had a good time here a little while ago. I had a good time tonight. Rick, how does it feel to be a first person Ironman? I'm so very proud of him too. So very proud. This is my man. This is the man. So proud to have no words of wisdom whatsoever. His first celebration in the Ironman. He's fucking smashed, man! You ain't got shit to say. Fucking smashed. Well, you know, without that hat, he's passing out as we speak. But that's not the case. That's not the case. That is not. Because I'm smashed too because I'm talking to a Budweiser can. I think, can we cut?
So,